2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?